Hey, it's Jerome, North Kentucky Preparedness. So I'm doing this video to try to start a conversation, start a question, and just throw this out there, and just give you a little bit of thought. Is it possible that if there's an emergency situation, is it possible that it may last longer than 72 hours? I know 72 hours is that magic number for some people, and sometimes those people don't think any further past that 72-hour mark. The cats are loving the bag right now because of the fact that they don't really get to hang out on it or spend time with it at all, ever. But is it possible that there's a situation that something may go longer than 72 hours, that you may still be in distress, you still may be in a situation where your quality of life is not what it was before whatever incident, whatever situation. And if your answer is well, I never thought about that, or no, I don't think anything is possible to happen longer than 72 hours. You know, I in my personal opinion, what you're setting yourself up for is right there, Camp FEMA. And I would never want my family to be put in that situation, to be forced to be in that situation, to have to be in a shelter, to have to go through that situation. So this is my what I call a snap kit, my extended situation bag. It basically extends what I have for my family go bags, or some people call them bug out bags. With between this and those 3 buckets that I'm working on, and there's 3 of them there. There's 3 of them there. There's 3 buckets which I am still building and working on. They're empty right now. And I've said before, my emergency preparedness stuff is a journey that I'm taking you on. I'm taking you on to basically show what I have and what I'm doing and what I'm working with. And these buckets here are just part of that journey and part of what I'm working on. But is it possible that something were to happen where you may need something like this, something that may need to extend your personal go bags, your personal bug out bags, whatever you will call it. And you know, this is just a small, very small medical kit, emergency kit, that I have in this bag. And this is probably about a 1/4 or so of the size of my family medical bag that I've worked on and built. And I actually have a video just on this bag. But I'm just throwing this question out there. Is it possible for something to happen and your bag, your personal bug out bags or go bags or whatever you want to call it, whatever term you wish to call it, may need to go longer than that 72 hours. And if so, do you have a setup for that? Do you have options for that? Do you have a plan for that? And if you do, leave a comment, please. Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me what you're doing. I like feedback. I like being able to watch other people's videos to see what they're doing, see what they got going on. So, yeah, if you would, just leave feedback and let me know what you got. Thanks for watching.